That guy doesn't want to be in this traffic either. This Civic wants to just take off. We just out here vibing. Take it easy, dude. I don't even know what I'm about to do right now. Just about to go on a nice little cruise all by myself. Yeah, that's it. Always forget to close that. It's kind of a beauty of day to ride. I got my skinny jeans on again. Yeah, the same exact pair as in my last video. This is my only pair of ripped jeans. You know, I'm trying to get some fucking airflow. This is the only way. It's hot out. Sun's already going down, but it's 80 degrees right now. I feel like I'm always just looking back, you know? Making sure no one's flying up on me, or, you know, 5-0's not flying up on me. Because they surprised me one time. One time I was just chilling at a light, and all of a sudden, lights went on right behind me. Like the cop was just right behind me. Wasn't even paying attention. Ooh, it's starting to get a little chilly. I'm like entering the woods right now. Whenever I do that, like it's always like a 10-degree drop. I'm almost trying to squeeze. That guy was nice. Scooted over for me. Too bad there's not an open road ahead of us, bud. I'm sure we would be racing right now. I'll get a little bit of speed, even though I'm pretty sure I had to cut the audio right there because it probably sounded like I really do need to get a new mic. Probably, you know what? Next video. This is going to be the last video that I have this mic quality, I promise. Unless, you know, I like order it off Amazon or some shit and it takes a couple days and I record a video before then. But, yeah. I don't even know why, I'm just lazy. I just keep forgetting. I really do need to get a new mic. Just because, like, I don't know, whenever I take off, like, even right now, I don't know, it could be sounding damn wind. And it just sounds like, just really shitty. Like, it really sounds unusable. I hate that shit. Especially when I'm, like, if I'm racing someone or something, like, it just sucks. Gotta step my game up. Man, what's up with all this construction going on? Come on. Fix our damn roads already. Oh, I had a really good idea for a transition. Alright, let's see how this works. Alright, I just moved like 100 feet, so, you know, it's not like I'm somewhere new or anything, but, yeah, I just want to see how that would, you know, I probably just edited it in right there. See how that looks. Yeah, I'll start doing that. Well, it just got warmer, like, it's like as soon as I, like, left the woods, it literally just got, like, it feels like hot again. That's crazy. That could straight up be like a 10-15 degree difference, it feels like. Oh no, I got this car that's gonna turn in front of me. Ah! Good thing I wasn't going faster. Would have plowed right into it. I feel like most accidents are really preventable. You just kind of have to pay attention. Like, you know, right here, I guess I could kind of go fast, you know, like this guy gets to just turn in front of me or something, or like a deer could run out. Or maybe one of these people could be doing just a random U-turn, you know, I gotta watch out for that shit. But like, other than that, like, I feel like you know where you can go fast and where you can't. Or at least, you know, what's more dangerous, or what's the probability of something popping out or something. Oh my god, look at this guy's going real slow for me because he wants to let me go right in front of him. Thank you. Definitely not what he was doing, but I'll take advantage of the situation. I do like to be in the front of the line. You know, no cars could just sneak up on me and rear end me or anything. Feel safe in the front. Slow and play. Always gotta look both ways. Even on a green light, you know? I don't know how many times someone's just, you know, flew through the yellow light. Could have taken me out if I wasn't paying attention. Oh my god, oh, my bike gets like so hot, it just straight up burns my legs. My legs feel like they're on fire right now. It's almost better to ride this thing in like 60-degree weather or something, 65-degree weather, because then, you know, it might be like a little chilly out, but like the bike's keeping my lower half warm. Just gotta worry about my, you know, upper half. Maybe I gotta put on like a little windbreaker or something. One of these days, I'm gonna cut through the middle, and there's just gonna be a fucking cop, and he's just gonna be like, "What are you doing, boy?" Only guys will understand this. Just cutting in between. I wonder if anybody does that in their car. I definitely only do that on the bike. Because I just don't give a f*** the rules of the road. I'm a f*** pirate, alright? Yeah, these are some skinny streets. Almost literally can't even lane split through this. This is a tiny street. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try that shit. I'm just gonna lane filter. Oh. Sorry, I don't even know why I'm moaning every time I hit a bump. Weird. You know what's weird? I don't think I've seen a single cop on this entire ride so far. That's crazy. Maybe there's just a glitch going on in the system right now, you know, and no cops are spawning. I'm playing fucking IRL GTA right now. Or maybe this is just GTA 6. I've literally had you guys fooled this whole time. This is just first person point of view GTA 6. I got you guys. I'm just dubbing over it. Damn, my shit's overheating. I gotta go fast. I think I gotta go fast right now. That's the only way that I'm gonna cool down this bike. Oh my god, a street. This is the best street to go fast on. Exposed little manholes and shit. This would be perfect. If I hit one of those going 60, it's over. That place looks lit. Where am I? I've really never been over here before. How a lot of shit out here though. Dude, In-N-Out. Holy f***. I didn't know they had In-N-Out in Illinois. Oh my god. What do you guys rate my fit 1 out of 10? So, you know, I got the skinny jeans on, I got the Sperry's. I'm gonna have a little grease stain from the shifter on this shoe. You know, I'm wearing just like a little gray shirt, or it's like a little kind of a navy blue shirt. What do you guys rate my fit? Leave your opinion in the comments. Ah, my legs are burning, dude. We gotta get moving. I gotta go fast. You know what? I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm about to go fast right now. That's the only way. That's the only way to cool down my legs. I'm on fire! But, you know, at the same time, this is not the place to go fast. Oh, this dude's pushing this shit. This is where I'm going to turn now. The most dangerous street in all of Chicago. God, Cicero Avenue. It's the most dangerous street, and it's like the street I'm on the most. Not good. Now, I'm not even sure if it's the most dangerous street, but it's just, this street's f***ing hot. Not with police, but with just stupid drivers that want to run me off the f***ing road, and I won't let them. I'll never let them. And if I do get ran off the road, you know, at least it'll be a viral video. That's the cool part. Unless my battery died and I didn't even know it, and then I crashed. Oh, that would suck. Then I'm hurt, and I don't even got the footage of it. Oh, it would piss me off. Wonder if I stand up. Oh, yeah. Sometimes I stand up, and I just get, like, so much more wind. Just airflow through my cheeks. My cheeks need it. They're so hot. Not the cheeks of my helmet. Oh, goodness. Looks like these lanes are merging. Will I be able to make it over in time? Yeah. I believe so. I think I could even Just to go around these. I think I'm gonna have more room on this side. Yeah, I'm gonna have to squeeze through that one. I had to put my mirrors in for that one. Well, guys, I'm getting close to my friend's house, so signing off. So like, here's rule number one. So like, you know, say a car like turns out in front of you, you don't apply your brakes right away. First you gotta rev your engine at them, and then when it looks like they're not gonna get out of the way and you're about to crash into them, then you slam on your brakes and you hit them. That's rule number one.